Jess Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing inside our outstanding new listing. This one is 355 Firetown Road, nestled in the heart of the Squadron Line Elementary School District. This is an outstanding property. You are not going to want to miss this one. I am standing right now in this amazing game room, entertainment room, you name it. It has so many special custom features here. This home is exquisite. They put over $175,000 into this custom game room. As you can see, there's this beautiful full bar, wet bar with a copper sink behind me. It's got Advantium convection oven there, a great Miele dishwasher, sub-zero fridge. Look at all that storage. A master craftsman built this. There are custom features throughout this room. What I love in this special room, there's hidden nooks and crannies to store all your dishes. There's places to play cards. There is a custom pressed tin copper plated ceiling that's in here with all mahogany woodwork throughout. Look at how beautiful this is. Tons of space in here. Great room for this awesome pool table, surround sound. Look at the couch for entertaining. It's so great if you want to watch movies, cuddle up, play games, have your buddies over. Even better, this property has a second floor laundry. The master features ample walk-in closet space, a great master ensuite bath with double vanity. It also has a wonderful soaking tub too. Sits on a beautiful lot, and it's got so much open space, a great open concept between the family room, eat-in kitchen, and dining space. You're not going to want to miss this property. Look at this. It is just so wonderful. You better get here. This is unique and one of a kind. If you've been looking for a one of a kind property, you don't want to take the time to go build, this one is it. Give us a call at 860-325-2484 or visit us at our website, starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.